Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dimitri. This is the recipe, and today we're going to learn how to make a toaster strudel. One of my favorite breakfast delights, a pastry dish that you can basically sink your teeth into, but you got to learn how to make it right. I'm going to show y'all how to make it today. Just stick around and let's get to cooking. Remember is that once you take something frozen out of the freezer, sometimes it's not going to be in the form that you want it to be. Really not complicated, but one thing you want to remember is depending on what type of toaster you have, that just really determines the type of flavor you're going to get out of your toaster strudel and how long and how patient you are. Just grab you a plate, make sure your icing is nice and firm and not frozen inside of the pack here. Once you put it in there, once it pops up, you should be good to go. But sometimes I like to turn the pastry to the opposite side. This is just something I like to do. And then I'll push it back in there for a few seconds, or either like a minute or two. And then I'll cancel it and I'll push it back out just so I can get both sides of the pastry to get warm. That way I don't bite into a cold toaster strudel. One thing I do like to do after, I like to put my icing on there like this, like a smiley face. Just like that. That way I'm happy when I'm eating it. There you go.